Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name. Yellow color, green color, orange color, black color, sky color, brown color, red color, green color. Now kids, let's start our lesson. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Jim,
A B C D E F G H I J K
Ha,
L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Kha,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time,
Dal,
won't you sing with me?
Zal, Ra, Za, Sin,
A B C D E F G H I J K L
Shin,
M N O P Q R S T U V W X
Swad,
and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Zad,
me?
Ta,
A B C D E F
Za,
H I J K L M N O P Q
Ain,
R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know
Gain,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Fa, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya,
C D E F G H I J K L M
Ya.
N O P Q R S T
Now kids, let's start repeat our lesson. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Zad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya, Ya.